I can't remember what I'm saying now. Hello and welcome. In this two-part series, together with Volvo Penta, we're going to take you behind the scenes to find out why the new Sanlorenzo SX112 and the IPS propulsion system by Volvo Penta make perfect partners for yachts in the 100 to 130 foot size bracket. Today we're in Viareggio, Italy, where Sanlorenzo has one of its 3 production plants. And behind me here, one of their latest and most exciting projects is taking shape, the new SX112. And we join the production process at a critical moment, because the beating heart of the yacht, the most powerful engine and IPS system that Volvo Penta produce, are about to be installed. The SX112 is the new flagship in Sanlorenzo's crossover line, which was first unveiled in 2018 with the SX88. Defined by the sleek and racy exterior lines by Zucon International Project, it combines the versatility of a flybridge yacht with the comfort associated with Sanlorenzo's displacement range, but adds a modern explorer-esque twist.
Volvo Penta worked hand in hand with Sanlorenzo on the development of the entire SX line, and some 30 units have already been delivered. The open-plan, free-flowing design and guest spaces on board the SX112 presented challenges when it came to noise insulation, and Sanlorenzo soon realized that a conventional powertrain would simply not be good enough. And this is where Volvo Penta's innovative IPS system comes in.
SX was a concept I brought in Sanlorenzo 2015, and it's a radical project compared to the standard production in the pleasure yachting. The Volvo Penta boat drive was one of the fundamental part of the project. To develop interiors going so much aft, we had to find something really special. And Volvo gave us this opportunity with the IPS. There is also the typical and famous maneuverability and user-friendly system. So that was also part of the importance to use the Volvo power system. Also very important is the sustainability, which for Volvo has been always a very important point, and we really hugged that part.
The IPS system goes way back in Volvo Penta's long-standing history and can trace its origins to 1907 and the development of their first marine engine, the B1. The company became a household name with the release of their revolutionary Aquamatic drive in 1959. This product was followed up by another innovation, the Inboard Performance System, or IPS, which took the boating world by storm when it was first introduced in 2005, and more than 30,000 units have been sold to date.
With the IPS, Volvo Penta has turned the traditional propeller configuration on its head with this forward-facing pod with counter-rotating propellers. You don't see them now because they're the last thing to be attached to avoid any damage during construction. It's basically a hydrodynamic work of art, which lends the vessel much better grip in the water with virtually no cavitation. Continuous product development has led to a refined product that is up to 30% more efficient than traditional inline drive shafts. And it gives the yacht the remarkable manoeuvring capability for which the IPS system has become so well known.
Volvo Penta got involved in the SX project together with Sanlorenzo 4 years ago. So we start to design the SX project together with the engineering of Sanlorenzo in 2016. That was really the base to create a very successful story. IPS system is perfect for this kind of boat. First of all, because it has been designed for a semi-displacement boat. It means reaching 23, 24 knots as maximum speed, but we can also go down up to 19 knots, which is perfect in terms of, let's say, cruising speed. If you can look it around here, the space of the engine room is very small. So it means that we can release a lot of, let's say, living space to the boat. This kind of system can provide to the boat a very low level of noise, level of vibration, fantastic consumption. We can reduce 30% the consumption, so it means that we can even increase the range of the boat, which is an extremely important achievement in that respect.
Sustainability is at the heart of Volvo Penta's corporate ethos and is built into the IPS system. Simply put, the IPS produces 30% fewer emissions compared to its competitors, making it one of the greenest and cleanest options on the market today. And Volvo Penta is soon to unveil their new IMO Tier 3 compliant solution that exceeds even the latest emission standards.
Together with Volvo Penta, Sanlorenzo is changing the way we go yachting with innovative propulsion systems like the IPS. But how user-friendly is the system when it comes to driving the boat? Well, in the next issue, we're going to take a look at the operational side of the SX112 and the real-world benefits of the IPS system. Until then, thanks for watching and see you again soon.